Hey dudes, today I am going to share you about the job opportunity given by V3 Online TV. This is very simple job. You can do it with your mobile phone itself. You need not to spend much time to do it. It takes only 30 to 60 minutes. It is very relaxing job. What job you have to do means you have to watch 6 videos daily and you have to put feedback about 4 words related to the video. You can watch the videos in following languages, that is Tamil, English, Malayalam, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. The videos will be like motivational videos, success stories of the successful people, curriculum and explanation, companies' new ideas, etc. You have to watch the videos fully to check that the app will be asking the questions in between like, are you seeing the video? You have to click yes. And also at the end of the video, the app will be asking the questions like, have you seen the videos fully? For that also, you have to click yes. After that only, that video will be considered as seen video. You have to see the video in the following time schedule. There are two types of time schedule. One is blue way time schedule, which is apt for the people who is residing in the home. That is, for example, for housewives, retired persons, like that. The first video starts from the 5 o'clock. It will be played between the 5 a.m. to the 7:45 a.m. Within that interval, you have to watch the first video. The second video will be played in between 7:46 to 10:30 a.m. You have to watch the video in that. So like that, 6 videos will be played in this time schedule. You have to watch that videos within that time itself. The second type of time schedule is green way time schedules. This is apt for the working people's college going guys. So the first 3 videos will be played in between 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. The next 3 videos will be played in between 5:30 to 9:30 p.m. So it will be easy to watch the videos for the working peoples without affecting the working hours. Seems to be easy job, isn't it? So do you want to join? Shall I explain the plans how to join that? Come, let's see that. There are two types of plans in that. The first one is Star Premium plan. To join this plan, you want to invest rupees 600 in that. Then what are the tasks you do means you want to watch the 6 videos. The video's duration will be 2 to 8 minutes only. Rarely it will be taking 10 minutes. Then there will be a special training videos played on this English calendar dates 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27th. It will be played after 9:30 p.m. So you have to watch these 9 videos also. Along with watching the videos, you have to put the feedback above 4 words. You have to watch the videos, you have to understand what is that, and what you have understood, you have to put the videos like feedback like that. The general feedback like nice, it is a very nice video, good afternoon, good evening, like that and all, it is not, you should not put the feedback like that and all. Also the punctuation marks and all not allowed. Then one more task you need to do is you have to attend the zonal meeting once in 3 months. They will be conducting the zonal meeting in various areas. If it is around 200 kilometers to your residence, then you have to attend it. If you can't attend it, you have to get the prior permission with proper reasons. So if you do this, that is, if you watch the videos fully and if you give the feedback properly and if you are attending the zonal meeting, you will be getting the following benefits. For each video you are watching, you will be getting 3 points, that is 3 rupees per video. You will withdraw your amount after reaching 3000 points. There is no points for special videos. Guys, if you watch 6 videos per day for 30 days, you have to watch 180 videos plus 9 special videos. So you have to watch totally 189 videos per month. If you watch that 189 videos fully, then that month will be allotted as perfect month. For each and every perfect month, they will be giving one coupon for you. That coupon will be played in a lucky draws that will be conducted in the zonal meetings, and it is opportunity to win gold, bike, Andaman tour, cars, etc. in that lucky draws. So if you get 3 perfect months, that is, if you watch the videos fully for the 3 months without leaving it, then at the end of the third month, that is, at the end of the 90 days, you will be getting rupees 600 as the recharge amount. Along with that, you will be getting refundable investment of rupees 600. That is, for joining this plan, you have to invest rupees 600. That amount will be paid back to you. And also, you will be getting rupees 15,000 mobile amount when you get fourth recharge amount continuously. So guys, you have to watch the videos perfectly, and all these months should be as perfect months. The promoter level of the star premium plan is star performer. That is, if you join 6 members in the star premium plan under you, then you will become a star performer. For each and every level, you will be getting the reward points. For the first level, you will be getting 3 points per video. Plus, you will be getting the level reward points also. For the first level, you will be getting the 10% of reward points. For second level, 1%. For third level, you will be getting 0.1%. There will be additional benefits for this star performer also. If you get the mobile recharge amount for the third time continuously, then you will get the opportunity to go for the foreign trip from Chennai to Chennai. You will be getting this foreign trip for every 3 years. And then you will be getting rupees 3 lakhs cash reward in the 6th year, and 12 lakhs cash reward in 12th year, and 24 lakhs cash reward in 18th year. So throughout this period, you have to travel with this company. So the next type of plan is super premium plan. In this plan, to join in this plan, you have to purchase health products for rupees 18,000. So all the tasks you want to do is as same as star premium plan. That is, you have to watch the videos and you have to put the feedback and you have to attend the zonal meeting. The same thing, but the additional benefits in this plan is you will be getting 5 points per video and 2 coupons for every perfect month. There is a great opportunity in this plan is that you will be able to get rupees 12,000 salary for every month. How can you get means? If you watch the videos, that is, if you watch 189 videos perfectly for continuously 6 months, at the end of the 6th month, the 7th month, you will be getting the salary of rupees 12,000. And also guys, for each year, you will be getting 1,500 increment of your salary. Without waiting for the 6 months, if you join 6 members, that is 6 super premium members under you, then from the next month itself, you will be getting immediate salary of rupees 12,000 rupees. The extra benefits are, for if you are getting rupees 1,500 increment, that time you will be getting the opportunity to go for the foreign trip, the same Chennai to Chennai. And in 6th year you will be getting 6 lakhs, in 12th year you will be getting 24 lakhs, and in 18th year you will be getting 15 lakhs. Or else you can strengthen your team and you can get these benefits. That is, if you get 6 super salary achievers under you, then you are eligible to go for a foreign trip. Same wise, if you are having 6 foreign trip achievers in your team, then you will get 6 lakhs without waiting for 6 years. Same thing, if you are having 6 lakh achievers in your team, then you will be getting 24 lakhs without waiting for 12 years. And at last, if you are having 24 lakh achievers in your team, you will be getting 50 lakhs cash about immediately without waiting for 18th year. So this is income chart of 12 level income chart. If you join 3 members in super premium plan, for each member you are joining, you will be getting 2100 rupees. For 3 members, you will be getting 6300 rupees. So if you develop the team, that is, that 3 members will join 3 members under them. So totally 9 members. For each members, you will be getting 500 rupees. So totally you will be getting 4500. The next level, third level, there will be 27 members. For each member, 150 rupees. So totally you will be getting 4050 rupees. So like this, if you develop your team under 12 levels, you will be able to get more than 1 crores. You will be able to get salary from 1 crores. So recently guys, the company has announced about the CMD clubs. There are 3 levels in CMD club. First one is CMD Silver. If you join 6 members in Star Premium plan under you, then you will become CMD Silver member. What is the benefit means? From the next month, you will be getting rupees 1200 in your account. That is, your first recharge amount, when you are getting after 3 months, you will get immediately along with your refundable investment amount. The next level is CMD Gold. You will become the CMD Gold member if you have 6 CMD Silver members under you within 3 months. If you become the CMD Gold member, you will have the opportunity to have a grand lunch with this company chairman, and you will be having the further training details. And also you will be having the lifetime reward points. So the next level is the board member. You will be getting the level of board member if you get 6 CMD Gold members under you within 6 months. Guys, board member is very big opportunity. So this company is giving this great opportunity if you are working and developing your team. So this is the rough chart. This is the very minimum amount of income what you are get from this following, that explained plans. If you are a Star Premium member, you will be getting rupees 540 for every month. That is 540 points you will be getting. That 540 will be converted into rupees. So you can withdraw your amount only after reaching 3000 points. So if you are a star performer, along with your 540 point amount, you will be getting 324 rupees, the first level income of reward points. So totally you will be having 864. If you are a super premium member, you will earn rupees 900. That is, for each and every video you will be getting 5 points. If you are super salary achiever, along with 12,000 salary per month, you will be having the reward point amount, and plus you will be having the level income. So minimum from rupees 540, you can earn much more than 50,000 from these plans. I will show you the payment proof of the single month, that is August month payment proof of this company. 3rd August for payment is 10,200, 10th August payment is 10,200, 21st August payment is 50,000, 24th August payment is 11,050. So if you are working more and more, you will be able to get more salary from this company. So before joining in this company, there are some particular details you want to know. The first one is there is no direct registration in this app. you have to referred by someone, and you should be above 18 years. And then you have to use only one mobile for your user ID. You should not watch videos in more than one mobile. It will become duplicate user ID. And also for each member you should have only one ID. You will be getting the payment within 7 working days. For each and every payment you are getting from this company, 10% service tax and 5% TDS tax will be deducted from your account. The remaining amount will be transferred to your account. Then, more important thing, if you fail to see the video, that is, if you miss the video in that particular schedule, then you can put permissions. Only 3 permissions allowed in 30 days. For 1 month, you can put 3 permissions. You have to put the permissions during the next video playing time. That is, within 6 video playing time. Within 24 hours, you have to put the permissions. If you miss the video more than 3, then for each mistake, you have to join 1 star premium plan member. If you join 6 star premium plan members in a month, then how many mistakes, how many mistakes you made, that is not a problem. That problem will made as a perfect month. If you join 6 members in star premium plan on that particular month, that month will be considered as perfect month if you watch the video or if you not watch the video. And then if you are a super premium member, you should watch the videos compulsorily. If you miss the video for 1 month, then you have to restart from the next month. If you are super salary achiever, the same 3 permissions also allowed for you. If it exceeds that, you have to join 4 super premium members under you. Then that month will be considered a that is perfect month for super salary achievers. So if you have any complaints like the app is not open, that is network issue, like that, if you have any complaints, means you can register the complaint in the app itself. If you are a Blue Way schedule member, you have to take the screenshot within 30 minutes, and if you are a Green Way member, you have to take the screenshot within 15 minutes interval. You have to keep the screenshots with you. If the company asks, then you have to show that the permissions and complaints can be registered in the app itself. The one more important thing is date request. That is, after joining date of your, after you joined, you have to give the date request within the 15 days of your joining date. That is, date request is the date which you are taking charge. That is, from that date you are going to start the video watching. That date will be considered as date request date. From that date, the 30 days will be calculated. You should not change the date request. If you change the date request, then you will be losing your seniority, plus you will be losing the reward points earned before. So till now I have explained about you the plans. Now it's now pleasure to introduce the company who is the creator of this V3 online TV app. The company is VRAS Healthcare Private Limited. This company's chairman is Dr. S.V. Vijay Raghav sir. You can watch the app in 149 countries. This is Tamil Nadu based app. The head office is situated in Madurai, regional office in Coimbatore, branch offices in Theni and Sivakasi. Guys, you will be having big question, I think so. What is that? If you are watching the video, what is the profit to the company? How the company is giving this many profits, payments, salaries like this to you? As a viewer, how can we get this? How it is possible? It is possible with the help of advertisement. Guys, how many of you know that multinational company have to pay in lakhs to play the 10 to 25 seconds ads in most popular channels? They have to pay in lakhs. They don't have any assurance that either lakhs of people have seen that ad or not. Even so, even in that period also, they will be paying in lakhs to play the advertisement in that most popular channels. In YouTube also, we can easily skip the ad and you can watch the video. For that also, they are paying in thousands. So here they are going to construct a network to see the video with ads. They are sharing the profit with us. This is very 100% genuine app. It is very safe and secured. Every transaction is legal. They are having their own PAN card and GST number. The more interesting thing is this is that MD assurance letter. This is very unique in this app. Whatever the plans, whatever the task you have to do, whatever the benefits you will be getting, everything is written and it is signed by MD. This is journal beat prices. As I told you, you will be chance to get gold, Andaman tour, Honda Activa bike, Celerio car, Desire car, like that. Your single coupon will be playing in this 9 types of lucky draws and you can get the opportunity to win so many prizes with this. So guys, I hope you like to join in this job. If you want to join, kindly WhatsApp me, and also if you have any doubts and clarification, you can WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp description link is given in that description also. You can use that. Thanks for watching this video with patience. See you.